You burned it all. Now watch me rise. You said you loved me, what a joke, what a line. While you were texting her, I was losing my mind. I cooked, I cried, I begged for a sign, but all I got was silence and a bottle of wine. You played me dirty like a game you own, but I ain't your pawn, now I stand alone. I tore the pics, burnt the bed, broke the phone. Now I spit truth from this iron tone. Yeah, I bled, but I'm still breathing. You left me torn, but I ain't leaving. I cried nights, now I'm done grieving. This queen don't need no fucking king deceiving. I got scars, yeah, deep and cold. But baby, now there's scars made of gold. Remember that fight? You slammed the door, said I was crazy, nah, you were just bored. Now look at you, ghost in my rear view. I'm speeding forward, ain't missing you. You called it love, I call it control. You crushed my light just to fill your hole. But I'm done being soft, I'm done being nice. Now wear my pain like a blade of ice. I found peace in the wreckage you made, built a palace out of all your shade. Every tear was a lesson in steel, every line of the layer I peeled. You were my war, but I survived. I'm not bitter, I'm alive, revived. Now I'm laughing, dancing, writing my verse while you scroll through your life in a curse. Yeah, I bled, but I'm still breathing. You left me torn, but I ain't leaving. I cried nights, now I'm done grieving. This queen don't need no fucking king deceiving. I got scars, yeah, deep and cold. But baby, now there's scars made of gold. You hate that I smile without your name, that I reclaim my fire, my fame. You thought I'd break, but I broke through. Now every bar I spit ain't about you, it's about me, the storm I tame. About strength, not shame, not pain. You claim I'm the author of my new rebirth, and you just a line in a verse, not worth. I don't need revenge. I've got rhythm, I've got rhyme, I've got me. Goodbye.